Hey YouTube, it's Austin with the Austin Cat Show, and I'm just doing a little update of our nature trail. Yeah, September Place nature trails. Yeah, we've been working on these the past few days, so for a while now. So I'm just gonna do a little walkthrough of it. Alright, I'm just gonna go on the beginner trail, then I'll make 2 other videos of the other trails. Yeah, so this is like our easy trail. Yeah, lights here for if you want to do a night walk. We got frogs in here. We got pretty much everything. So it's really good. And then it comes out right here. There's another light, and then it just comes out right here to my backyard. Yep. So that's the beginner trail of the nature trails on September Place. Okay, YouTube. Peace.